How does the laundry work? Choose a washing machine and put your clothes in it. Please close the door firmly. Please close the door firmly. Select the washing program. Log into your user account or register for discounted prices. Select whether you want to wash or dry. Choose your washing machine. You can choose from 3 payment methods. Check which dryer is available. You can fill the clothes up to the maximum mark. Select the right temperature. You can only change the temperature before you pay. The machine can also be started via the app. When you're done, just enjoy your fresh and fragrant textiles. More than 60 laundries are waiting for you across the country. Bubbles is your laundry.